First, select the Impact tool. In the Impact tool, you will see two options, Radial and Parallel. We will select the radial style. Now, using the mouse, drag to create a radial impact. After creating the impact, adjust the line width from here according to your requirement. Next, adjust the gap between the lines to achieve a more balanced and refined effect. From here, you can explore different impact styles and customize their properties as needed. I personally like this style, so I'm going to select it. To enhance the impact further, I will now apply a Distort Tool effect. Click on the Distort Tool, and from the presets, select the Stump option. There you go. A clean and professional impact effect has been created. You can now reselect the Impact tool and test other styles as well. After that, apply a color fill of your choice. I already have an image, and I will use this impact effect on that image. Select the image and adjust the impact effect over it properly. You will notice that this impact effect gives the image a unique and professional look. Thank you for watching the video. For more useful tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, and click the bell icon to stay updated.